Welcome! In front of me I have XIAOMI Watch 2 Pro and I'm gonna show you how to pair this watch with the Android phone. First thing we need to do is to turn on the watch, and you can do it by pressing and holding the lower button right here. Keep holding the button until you see the XIAOMI logo on the screen. Once you see the XIAOMI logo on the screen, you can release the button and wait until the watch turns on. Okay, and after the watch turns on, you will see the Let's Go message on the screen. Tap on the arrow to continue, and it will bring you to the list of languages. You can scroll through this list by swiping up and down on the screen. Now, find the language you would like to use on your watch. Once you find it, tap on it to select it. And after you select the language, you will see the information that we need to download and install the Mi Fitness application on the phone we want to pair our watch with. You can use it, or rather you can download the app by using the QR code. I'm gonna simply open the Google Play Store on our phone and download it from there. So make sure you have the internet connection and Bluetooth enabled. Once you do, you can open the Play Store, tap on search and type in Mi Fitness. And you should see this application on the list, Mi Fitness, formerly known XIAOMI Wear. Tap on the install button to download and install it. And after the application is done installing, you can tap on the open button to open it. In the app, tap on start. Here, check the box. The first one is required, the second one is not mandatory, but if you want to enroll into user experience program, you can also check it. I'm gonna tap on agree here. Now we need to select the region. To do it, tap on right here, scroll through the list, find the region you want to use and select it by tapping on it. And once you select the region, tap on next, and you should see the health page of the app. Now tap on device, tap on add device, tap on agree, allow the required permission, and the app will start looking for the nearby devices. And as you can see, it detected our watch, so let's tap on it to select it. Confirm the pairing by tapping on pair. Tap on agree. Here you can enable and disable some, or check or uncheck some of the features of the Google services like diagnostic reports and location. And once you're done, scroll down and tap on I agree. Of course, you can leave them checked if you want to. I just unchecked them, but if you want to leave the location enabled and set the diagnostic reports, you can do that. Here, tap on allow. And here we can basically copy Google account from our phone to our watch. This is useful if you want to use Google services on your watch like Play Store, Gmail and stuff like that. If you want to do it, simply select the Google account from your phone. You can also tap on choose another account to select different account. And once you select it, you can tap on basically login or copy. I by mistake skipped it, so I can't do it anymore. But basically you can select the account and copy it to your watch. If you skip it, you will be asked to sign in into XIAOMI account. You can do it by tapping on sign in, or you can tap on skip to skip it too. And right here we can also set up the pin protection to our watch, or pattern if you want to. You can select one of the options. I'm gonna tap on skip, but if you want to set them up, select the preferred method and then set it up. Right here we can allow to receive the basically phone notifications. So if you want to receive the notifications from your watch from your phone on your watch, my bad, you need to allow the required permission. If you don't care about this feature, you can tap on skip and skip this step. I'm gonna tap on allow, and then tap on done. And here we have our watch on the device page. As you can see, we can change some settings right here, but also we can use our watch now. And we can skip the tutorial for now. You can also go through it if you want to. I'm just gonna skip it. And here we have our watch. Okay, let's close this. And that's how you pair this watch with the Android phone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.